Welcome to Mr. Tech. Prepare to be amazed by these daring adventures and the real-life dangers these guys encounter every day. Let's jump right in without any delay.
Looks like Operation Save the Horn is now underway. The team is showing incredible effort to get this overturned bulldozer back on its feet. The Cat Caterpillar 300A3K pipe layer made a quick getaway after being pulled up, but its bad luck continued. This Volvo really seems determined to handle that large rock, but it still needs the support of its team to make it through.
No, es carro para abajo. No.
What a risky driver underestimating the danger. At least he came out alive as a lesson for the next time. Even with its two rear wheels missing, this truck is still cruising smoothly around the construction site. What a shocking sight. The excavator went down, but thank goodness everyone is okay. The train was hitting so much snow, the engineer just laid on the horn the whole trip. The stubbornness has doubled. These two Volvos are perfectly synchronized in every shape. If I was his boss, I would have docked him for time wasting. Splitting that lift in two would have taken half the time. What a prat. Unleash the power of the Steel Maximo and conquer any terrain effortlessly. With its triple front-mounted weed brush spanning up to 3 meters wide, this machine makes light work of larger areas. Featuring brush diameters of 3 by 110 centimeters and adjustable working widths from 230 to 310 centimeters, it requires a minimum of 90 horsepower and easily connects to a tractor. With cabin adjustable brush unit positions and rotation directions, tackling surrounding areas is a breeze in a single pass. The Warren's Delta planter features precise seed distribution for even planting and high germination rates. It offers adjustable planting depth to suit various crops and includes automated fertilization to save time and effort. Additionally, its GPS tracking system ensures straight rows and prevents overlap, making it an efficient and reliable choice for modern farming. Maximizing crop productivity and safeguarding against water-related issues demands an effective drainage system, combining vertical pipes and subsurface channels. The Grime Techron 415 potato harvester is one of Grime's most popular self-propelled potato harvesting models, specifically designed for large-scale potato farms. Equipped with a modern, efficient harvesting system, it ensures high productivity while minimizing losses. With a 15-ton bunker and a powerful 490 GP engine from Mercedes-Benz, it optimizes potato harvesting operations. The Balehawk, an autonomous bale mover designed to streamline field operations. With advanced sensors and LiDAR technology, it precisely locates and moves bales with ease. Say goodbye to manual labor and hello to efficiency. Led to trouble. A 500-ton crane, 4 trucks, and a costly trailer were all damaged. Fortunately, the driver managed to escape just before the incident, and everyone is safe. Watching this cat step onto the truck was like watching a smooth dance move, effortless and graceful.
Stick it do.
The Cat D6R got swallowed by the deep mud, but luckily the team came to the rescue. Even one of the largest trucks in the world can lose its footing on a slope like this. Truly a priceless documentary moment. The heavy Soviet bulldozer, DET-250, independently tackles a bridge over a mountain river. The operator, fearing for his life, exits the cabin as the bridge barely supports the 40-ton machine. Loaded and ready, the truck unexpectedly started moving on its own, leaving the driver startled. Thankfully, the driver acted fast and took control before any mishap occurred. On the most difficult road ever, the truck driver couldn't handle the steep ascent, but it's a relief that everyone is okay. That truck's stubborn choice to take that road home could have ended badly. Glad everyone is okay. This truck seems to be really enjoying its time in the air. Too smooth. They handled everything with absolute professionalism. Keep calm, no need for such urgency. Luckily, the driver remains safe. Looks like this Volvo has mastered the art of doing a headstand. This unique skill is just how it gathers the momentum to achieve success. Do you find harvesting tomatoes interesting? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Developers envision your screen's robot equipped with highly sensitive sensors and AI to manage vineyards. The tech provides data on crop growth, soil moisture, harvest yield, and grape chemistry for owners. However, the robot tackles the toughest task not to replace humans, but to aid them in market competition. Thanks to advanced technology, strawberry harvesting is now more efficient, saving time and labor while delivering higher quality. In the quaint town of Greenfield, gardener Rosie rides her trusty leaf blower, humming as it clears yellow leaves from her garden paths. A dance of autumn colors in the clear air. Healthy. In the toughest terrains, the BRAC T26. B dual spike harrow proves its mettle, tackling boulders and tree debris effortlessly. With pre-programmed modes to adapt to changing landscapes, it ensures optimal soil preparation for seeds to thrive, regardless of conditions. This robust and versatile disc harrow paves the way for seamless planting, conquering even the roughest terrain with ease. Mounted on a medium or large-size base, it's a game changer for farming. It was as if he had the power of a god, breaking the ground under the ATEC excavator with his push. The machine leaned, and the driver escaped right before it fell. What a scene. The truck loaded with wood is left hanging precariously after that daring attempt to cross. Yikes. The truck got stuck in the mud, and the tractor practically dragged it out. How can the driver expect to move again when he was already going and was stopped by the huge weight rip his clutch? The truck spun around in the wet weather, as if the heavens themselves were saying, "Time to call it a day. No work today."
Ready? Park all the trucks. Nobody else is coming back up. It's too slippery.
In such situations, I drove backwards. And if I was very overloaded, then I had to unload some of the concrete, no matter how the customer wanted it. It was a very steep climb. It was crazy. The The watermelon conveyor belt minimizes physical movement, allowing workers to carry out tasks efficiently without excessive mobility. The Maestro SVSX redefines seed wagon technology with its proven concept for all crops. Offering reliable singulation and easy operation, it ensures precise seeding at speeds up to 12 km/h airback or 15 km/h airspeed. With features like autoforest for optimal seed embedding, it's perfect for any soil condition and seeding method. Versatile and efficient, it's your go-to choice for seamless planting. On a chicken farm, John uses the XO robot to clean poultry coops. When it is necessary to disinfect an area, the XO robot automatically moves and completes the task quickly. The potato harvest in his fields was so chill. The solution to the most dreaded task, a remote-controlled machine for mixing organic fertilizers. Say farewell to manual labor as it streamlines the process efficiently. Embrace the future of farming with this groundbreaking technology. Harvesting watermelons is in full swing at a remote farm in northern Australia, with a team of strong young men working tirelessly. This machine is engineered to efficiently remove aquatic weeds and debris from water bodies, ensuring clear and clean waterways. From arugula to spinach, from cabbage to iceberg lettuce, including aromatic herbs such as basil and mint. The Varan 470 Terrat TR is a robust 4-row self-propelled harvester with high-grip rubber wheels for stability, even in tough terrain. Its 7-ton bunker with rotating grid ensures efficient storage. Customizable with various sorting options. It integrates MyGrime for data management and SmartView for clear real-time monitoring, enhancing both productivity and safety. The Ropa Tiger 8 is a top-tier beet harvester, featuring a powerful engine and precise cutting system. It delivers high productivity, capable of harvesting hundreds or even thousands of tons of beets per day. Highly regarded for its performance and reliability, it's an indispensable tool for modern American farmers and agricultural enterprises. This is more about destruction than transportation now. A truck carrying 18 others' truck, this upgraded transport driver has proven that no obstacle is too big when moving more than meets the eye, as long as you pack it right. The pushes, not always resulting in collapse or disintegration. The downhill cornering maneuver by this truck exceeded all expectations. Let's go, buddy. Oh my God, it's a relief that the site supervisor is still safe. There was a tractor, and now there is no tractor. What a dramatic effort. The tractor worked as if its life depended on freeing the stuck logging truck. The excavator loads onto the truck effortlessly, like it's second nature. Damn, such power. Amazing. Respect for the tractor driver. Top 1 handshake moments of the century. Unbelievable. That driver's talent was on another level as they maneuvered down that vertical drop. Forgetting to lower the truck bed gave this driver a collision they'll never forget. Tough. They were loading a yacht and they tore up the truck.
Да, все, блядь.
So cute, the way it was loosing traction while pointed up like that. Like a little tortoise flipped on, its back kicking, its legs. The driver too was real cool, giving thumbs up. When the bridge collapsed, the truck was left half submerged in the river, and the rescue team soon arrived to recover it. Is it a truck or a boat? This vehicle seems to be testing its limits in the water. Clearly, the incorrect placement of the tie-downs from the start led to the truck sustaining more damage than benefiting from the rescue effort. It's crazy. The tug of war between the truck, the crane, and the mud pit shows no sign of stopping. Let's get moving, brother. The road this truck chose wasn't the easiest, but it still succeeded. Clearly, the driver's skills are top-notch. Even with everything going wrong, holding on to one container intact is a small triumph. It's amazing to see the driver single-handedly get the Volvo mini excavator climbing the truck. Not everyone can do that. The Ural 6x6 timber monster lives up to its name, powering through every terrain with its raw strength. Truly a beast of a truck. The driver's skills are beyond imagination. He handled that steep incline with unbelievable smoothness. Let's shake hands with the cat excavator. That's how you properly maneuver a tractor down a steep incline. The Super Jolly 4X4 is a self-propelled harvester with a mechanical pickup and 4-speed gearbox, reaching speeds of up to 36 kilometers per age. Powered by a 4-cylinder Kubota engine, it features all-wheel drive and steering with a turning radius of 1.20 meters. Its rotating sieve model ensures faster, cleaner harvesting, while the double conveyor belt version efficiently transports the harvest into the trailer. aided by a powerful fan that removes debris for a clean final product. The New Holland 575 square baler is the go-to for farmers seeking efficiency and reliability. It creates uniform bales of hay and straw, making transport and storage a breeze. Priced at around $10,000, it's an affordable option. Powered by a hydraulic system, it exerts up to 1,000 kilograms of force, ensuring sturdy bales every time. The Kuhn-Axis HEMCW fertilizer spreader is a modern agricultural tool designed for efficient and precise fertilizer application. With advanced features like EMC technology, it ensures accurate application rates and wide-spreading widths, even in windy conditions. Features like VariSpeed Pro, OptiPoint, and border control help reduce over-application, saving costs. Setting up the ISO bus software is easy, and the machine can be operated with any industry-standard terminal for convenience. Tom, a forward-thinking farmer, relies on the Merge Pro 915 harvester. Its innovative design eliminates the need for various components, reducing maintenance costs and increasing operational speed. With speeds up to 18 miles per hour, it optimizes crop transition for efficient drying, making it Tom's trusted ally in the field. The Plant Tape automatic planting machine revolutionizes seedling planting. Priced at $26,500, it's a valuable investment for farms. With a productivity of 2,000 to 4,000 seedlings per hour, it ensures uniform planting density. This technology saves time, labor, and cost compared to manual planting, thanks to its user-friendly control system. John Deere's electric tractor, the Sesame 2, boasts a massive 1,000 kWh battery and 500 kilowatts power. It's cabless, but a cab can be attached when on the road, allowing manual control. The cab can detach for use as an office, and the tractor can communicate wirelessly with it. Plus, it can work in swarms, making monitoring from a central cabin possible. Titan's equipment line is exceptional across the board. With superior stability, maneuverability, and high working speeds, their machines finely shred and evenly spread fertilizer, manure, or waste on fields. Introducing the new E7000 self-propelled harvester, equipped with modern features like the E-Clean system for enhanced control efficiency and dust reduction. It handles various nuts with ease, from almonds to walnuts. The all-new E7000C self-propelled conditioner ensures cleaner and more efficient conditioning, reducing drying time and crop exposure while maximizing yields. With an extra-large hopper and optional XLT head and V-blade kits, it offers versatility for optimal harvesting results. The machine is so easy to operate that even Mr. and Mrs. Johnson can harvest together effortlessly. How to get your 14-ton digger off the silage pit. Definitely don't try this at home. The truck's loss of control caused it to overturn on the slope, but luckily the driver is safe. The construction site turned into a dramatic scene when the Liugong 922E excavator toppled over. The crew didn't waste a second, working together to fix the situation. Their perseverance paid off, turning a potential disaster into a victory. This truck tried to make a getaway right after being rescued, but it was caught just in time. These two Volvo EC 3500 excavators are giving their all on the job. Do you think that truck needs to hit the gas to go down the hill? The small cat, rescued by the big cat, took off running. This stubborn excavator just can't stay out of trouble. After getting bogged down in 5 feet of mud, this bulldozer was saved by its mighty big brother, the crane, which pulled it out. A 25-ton excavator on a 10-ton capacity truck. These guys deserve a Darwin Award.
Nice. And when this thing go off, I think it will... Cool. You know like that?
So this is the end, right? This is the consequence of biting off more than you can chew. That truck screamed in agony, and the outcome was worse than imagined.
Hancur bannya.
It was like a scene from an action movie. That driver showed incredible courage in that heart-stopping moment. All their efforts just seemed to make things worse. If moving forward feels too tough and challenging, then going in reverse is also a viable option. Do you think he is lifting it out of joy? The stone is heavier than the machine. Looks like this truck is doing some roller skating. Oh my God, did you see that? The tanker truck skidded for what seemed like forever, all to avoid hitting a tricycle. Unloading the cargo is much more interesting when you're a skilled and safe driver. Today is his lucky day. Is the vehicle preparing for takeoff, driver? This truck is wading through water like a kid who loves playing in the rain. A bridge collapsed under the weight of a large truck, sending the vehicle and its cargo tumbling into the creek below. Wow, what an impressive whirlwind performance. Sometimes a truck only needs 4 wheels to get the job done. The truck couldn't hold on until the excavator arrived. It all happened in an instant, but thankfully no one was in the truck, and everyone is safe. After every fall, you can always get back up. Amazing support. Wow, that's what happens when you overload a vehicle. Total chaos. The truck nearly got taken down by that massive tree stump. The Haglin BV206 shows its true prowess on challenging terrain. His outer coat got ripped apart. Poor thing, that road looks pitiful. a skilled operator to pull off something like this, and in a safe way. Rockin' machine still in one piece. Cheers to you, Mr. Excavator Operator.
Final resting place, not too spectacular. Tough on the machine, though.
What a save. The truck and driver have been pulled out of the mud without a hitch. In a Swiss field, a solar-powered robot resembling a wheeled table scans rows of crops with its cameras, identifies weeds, and destroys them with blue liquid jets from its mechanical tentacles. Despite being a manual tool, its performance rivals that of large-scale harvesting machines. The hydraulic system and conveyor prevent bins and pallets from touching the ground, reducing lifting and creating more opportunities for women in the workforce. DOT Technology's autonomous agricultural platform seamlessly integrates implements onto its vehicle body, reducing costs and emissions by over 20%. The U-shaped frame enables direct loading, optimizing efficiency. The consistent corn harvesting process, running smoothly like clockwork every year, has spurred the development of the highest capacity machines on the market. These machines are now operating at maximum capacity to guarantee a bountiful harvest this season. In the watermelon fields where technology isn't prevalent, farmers continue to work happily. The JCB TM 320S Agri Wheel Loader is a top choice for agriculture. With a max lift capacity of 3,200 kilograms, lift height of 5.2 m, and engine power of 112 kilowatts, it ensures efficient operation. Its large bucket capacity and fast travel speed of 50 kph enhance productivity. Weighing 8,142 kilograms, it offers power and agility for agricultural tasks. Wow, more processes in a single step. In the face of advancing technology, modern plows have revolutionized agricultural methods, enabling farmers to achieve higher yields with less labor. These machines harness cutting-edge technology and are meticulously designed to operate across diverse soil conditions, from hard clay to loose sand, with utmost precision and efficiency. All models in the Rex 4V series boast a modern, air-conditioned cabin prioritizing safety and comfort for operators during work. With a fresh appearance and redesigned cabin, these tractors offer an improved working environment with better visibility, enhanced features, and precise controls, making front or rear attachment operations easier and quicker. Meticulously crafted for maximum comfort, the cabin can also be equipped with a level 4 protection layer for operators during fertilizing activities, ensuring complete safety in a sensor-monitored environment. Hey, they seem to want to celebrate early. Maybe he can't carry this burden across the river. It looks like this truck has its own extreme unloading style. Oh, look at him fumbling with his leg. Was it luck or the driver's skill? The truck stayed upright for quite a while.
정말. 비디오스나요?
seems like this truck might be drunk. Crab walking sideways is also a good option. The driver's urgency and irritation are palpable as they tackle this wood hauling task. What a hectic scene. Oh my god, this vehicle must have had a terrifying experience. I hope the driver's all right. Like children playing in water, these trucks are having a blast wading through the river. They each cross the river with the same strength and power they possess. Even though they encounter a few minor issues, they support each other and make it through smoothly.
Пацаны наши якутские отчаянные ребята. Молодцы.
Collective strength, surely success is just around the corner. This truck is gliding through the air smoothly. Oh my god, luckily there was no one in that excavator. Just looking at the E101E excavator is making me dizzy already. Can you guess if he'll manage to land successfully? It's actually a perfect example of people who carry an extra load on their shoulders, but keep going to not let others down. A dramatic showdown between a dinosaur and a mammoth. The rock this cat excavator is trying to scoop is almost as big as the machine itself. After being pulled up, the truck rolled down the slope, but miraculously avoided crashing. He's trying to hold onto his vehicle in vain. In a surprising twist, the 950G excavator is now rocking the catwalk, upside down. Three, two, one, bow. The driver probably has gotten used to maneuvering like this. Incredible. That crane and truck are teetering like they're in the world's most dangerous seesaw game. This bicycle marks the edge of a sinkhole. Thankfully, no one was hurt. On icy and snowy roads, safety comes first when driving. Can you believe it? The Kobelco excavator is sliding down the slope like the wind. This excavator looks exhausted. It could really use a break. Hurry up, get moving, buddy. Dancing excavators on a construction site. From the Ann Trokes' Pretty Big Dig. Ballet dancer excavator excavators dancing balletto ballet. This must be the most healing moment for the excavator. That could have been easily avoided with an experienced operating engineer, preferably union. Nothing can stop sheer determination. Unleash the power of the Steel Maximo and conquer any terrain effortlessly. With its triple front-mounted weed brush spanning up to 3 meters wide, this machine makes light work of larger areas. Featuring brush diameters of 3 by 110 centimeters and adjustable working widths from 230 to 310 centimeters, it requires a minimum of 90 horsepower and easily connects to a tractor. With cabin-adjustable brush unit positions and rotation directions, tackling surrounding areas is a breeze in a single pass. The Warren's Delta planter features precise seed distribution for even planting and high germination rates. It offers adjustable planting depth to suit various crops and includes automated fertilization to save time and effort. Additionally, its GPS tracking system ensures straight rows and prevents overlap, making it an efficient and reliable choice for modern farming. Maximizing crop productivity and safeguarding against water-related issues demands an effective drainage system, combining vertical pipes and subsurface channels. The Grime Techron 415 potato harvester is one of Grime's most popular self-propelled potato harvesting models, specifically designed for large-scale potato farms. Equipped with a modern, efficient harvesting system, it ensures high productivity while minimizing losses. With a 15-ton bunker and a powerful 490 GP engine from Mercedes-Benz, it optimizes potato harvesting operations. The Bale Hawk, an autonomous bale mover designed to streamline field operations. With advanced sensors and LiDAR technology, it precisely locates and moves bales with ease. Say goodbye to manual labor and hello to efficiency. Do you find harvesting tomatoes interesting? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Developers envision your screen's robot equipped with highly sensitive sensors and AI to manage vineyards. The tech provides data on crop growth, soil moisture, harvest yield, and grape chemistry for owners. However, the robot tackles the toughest task not to replace humans, but to aid them in market competition. The tractor's greeting is quite impressive, isn't it? The truck hauling a mobile home is crossing a tiny bridge, and it has to be perfect to the inch. In that emergency, the driver's quick decision to exit the vehicle proved to be the best choice. She was too heavy for the poor truck to get up the hill, snapping his drive shaft instantly and leaving them stranded. With no brakes and a heavy load, his driver doomed him. He was a classic, a handsome truck, now wrecked. Incredible driving. He managed to turn over that narrow bridge with astonishing precision. The heavy excavator is in big trouble. It's fallen through the ice and is now stuck in the snow. This is going to be a real challenge to rescue. Love the way he skillfully handles the cat to lift that log down. Sometimes unloading brings unforeseen dangers, and today was definitely his day of misfortune. Unbelievable. The crane mast is literally suspended in midair. The driver's move was probably off from the start. It's a good thing they got out of the truck just in time. This crane is committed to the job, going above and beyond and never giving up, no matter how demanding the task. The excavator's timely grip on the truck turned a near miss into a successful save. Oh my gosh, what just happened? The crane crashed down while it was raised high. It's a relief that nobody was hurt. The overturned truck was rescued with a shovel, Hitachi's giant shovel to be precise. This truck's thrilling expedition through the jungle was nothing short of exciting.
On top there, right? At the back. Where the pen coming? Yeah. Let them look at the next one there. God, unlock the story. Yeah.
Incredible luck. The Cat 793 made a smooth landing on the ship. No harm done, and everyone's safe. Heart-stopping moment when a truck carrying a crane misjudged the height and crashed into an elevated crane structure. Luckily, everyone stayed safe. The 70-ton crane's sudden collapse during unloading was beyond anyone's expectations. Luckily, he was safe when the gigantic crane crashed down.
Dale vuelta para arriba! Dale vuelta para arriba!
In a split second after he jumped down, the excavator started to tilt, ultimately losing its balance and collapsing entirely. Introducing the MX Phoenix by Zenta, a sleek six-legged robot conquering rough terrains in the wild suburbs with its smooth movements. Featuring 3D printed body parts and powered by a 6 and 12 times servo drive system, it effortlessly navigates stairs, rocks, and more, controlled by a convenient controller. Discover the game-changing efficiency of the Amada's AR2200 series advanced rotary harvester. With its powerful preconditioning cylinders and twin 30-inch diameter axial rotors equipped with durable spring tines, this innovative machine delivers unmatched productivity and speed in harvesting. Designed to withstand the toughest conditions, it's the go-to choice for experienced growers looking to maximize yields during the harvest season. Experience the difference for yourself with the AR2200, your key to peak productivity. The New Holland CR980 delivers exceptional barley harvesting with its 477 HP engine. It features advanced technology like pressure sensors, next-gen cylinders, and GPS, all working together to ensure smooth, efficient operation. The rotary stick excels as the ultimate tool for land grading and transformation. If you find this video interesting, remember to subscribe to the channel to follow the latest videos. Large-scale mechanical harvesting is a lifesaver for farmers. While some opt for handheld devices, others invest in large harvesters. These machines can efficiently harvest large quantities of coffee beans simultaneously. Rotating blades and vibrations push the beans into attached funnels. However, they're limited to flat land areas on their farms. After the harvest, dealing with the leftover stumps was always a hassle. But with this cutting-edge machine, it's all a breeze now. Yanmar YT3 shines as the top compact tractor, boasting an emission-compliant engine and advanced IHMT transmission for clean operation. With robust design, powerful transmission, and comfortable cabin, it sets a new standard. Equipped with common rail engines and integrated transmission, it delivers top power and productivity while maintaining environmental excellence in its class. The excavator's flexibility and 360-degree rotation make it highly efficient for digging water pipelines in large fields. Its maneuverability ensures thorough coverage and precise excavation, reducing time and labor costs for such projects. This machine is a game-changer for agricultural infrastructure development, enhancing productivity and efficiency on the field. I wonder what criteria this smart machine uses to select apples. The FSX series Artisan AutoStack revolutionizes hay and straw bale harvesting. With its single operator system and automatic bale loader, it streamlines operations, saving time and costs. Its innovative design ensures easy pickup and delivery of bales, while features like side panels and a tilting trailer enhance stability and safety. Experience efficiency without compromise with the FSX series Artisan AutoStack. In the rolling vineyards, Robot Bacchus gracefully navigates, meticulously selecting and harvesting ripe grapes. Its advanced technology blends seamlessly with traditional winemaking, promising a fruitful future for viticulture. The Valtra T2554 tractor, with its powerful engine and flexible design, is a reliable machine for plowing fields. The spacious and comfortable cabin, combined with the durability and reliability of the Valtra brand, creates an ideal tool for farmers looking to optimize agricultural production. Developing technology helps farmers no longer have too much trouble harvesting sweet potatoes. With this machine, cleaning the garden is no longer a difficult worry. Looking for the perfect chemical sprayer for your orchard or vineyard? The Vineyard Sprayer is the ultimate solution. Crafted with high-quality Italian components, this ideal vertical sprayer is built for long-lasting durability. Trust me, it's engineered to meet a variety of spraying needs across vast landscapes. A perfect combination. This revolutionary banana cableway system, it's a game changer for banana harvesting, ensuring smooth transport from field to factory without any damage. Say goodbye to bruised and scratched bananas. This innovation not only preserves the fruit's quality, but also boosts productivity and profitability for banana growers. It's a win-win for both farmers and consumers alike. Watch and witness the future of banana harvesting.